morning, all of you. So this is a second class from 9th class. So children, topic wise. So already first part I have already explained you, that is regarding to present tense, children. So in present tense I explained you about simple present, present continuous, present perfect tense. So those sentences how to change from active voice to passive voice I explained on the day. So whatever it will be, whatever tense you do, children, but you should not forget rules and regulations, children. So maybe either present tense or past tense, otherwise future tense, whatever it may be, these all rules are common for all tenses. Okay, children, once again I shall remind you, children, to change from active voice to passive voice, 5 rules we have to follow, children. So first rule, object should be changed as subject. Second rule, decide B form. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, subject should be changed as object. So children, B forms I explained you. B forms are 8. Am, is, are, was, were, these 5. And be, been, being, these 3. 5 plus 3, 8, children. So these 8 are called B forms. Among these 8, am, is, are belongs to present tense category and was, were belongs to past tense category, children. So in previous class I explained you about present tense. Today I shall explain you past tense, children. So whatever tense it is, every tense has mainly 4 categories, children. Those are simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. So what I am telling you, when we change from active voice to passive voice, we can change only 3, children, in every tense. We can change simple, we can change continuous, we can change perfect, but we can't change perfect continuous, yes, children. Okay. So like that, today I want to discuss you that is past tense, children. Past tense sentences, how to change from active voice to passive voice. Okay. First example. They drank coffee here yesterday. Yes, children. This is the sentence. First of all, we should classify the sentence. So first one, they, subject, drank, verb, and coffee, object. Yes, children. In this sentence, in previous sentence, verb is in V1 because that is present tense. Then B form am is, but here verb V2, past tense, children. So every past verb carries 2 helping verbs, 2 B forms, not helping verb. 2 B forms, children. Those are was and were. Yes, children. So here in every present tense verb was or were lies in it, children. Was or were. Okay. So first of all, we have to now let us apply rules, children. First rule, object should be changed as subject. Second rule, decide B form. As children, verb is in past tense. Past B forms was or were. So was or were, we have to decide according to subject. So children, was is used for singular, were is used for plural. Yes, children. So here subject coffee, that is singular. That's why we wrote here was. Next, first rule verb, second rule verb, third rule. Change the verb into V3. Drink V1, drank V2, drunk V3. So we change the verb into V3. Next, change the verb in fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, change the verb into, change the subject as the object. Subject they, when we change into object place, it becomes them, children. So remaining sentence we have to add here. Here, yesterday. Here, yesterday. Like that. Children, second example. We threw the bag 4 days ago. We threw the bag 4 days ago. Classify the sentence. We, subject, threw, V2, the bag, object. 4 days ago, remaining sentence. So here first rule, object should be changed as subject, the bag. Verb, decide B form, B form will be decided according to the subject. Tense of the verb. Tense of the verb. Here verb is in V2, past tense. Past B forms was, were. Here subject singular. That's why we have to write was. B form also decided. Third rule. Change the verb into V3. Throw V1, threw V2, thrown V3. As children, thrown. We changed the verb into V3. 3 rules were. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, change the subject into object. So subject we, when we change into object case, we becomes us. Remaining sentence 4 days ago. 4 days ago. As children. Next, third one. Harika committed few. Third sentence, Harika committed few mistakes as children. So, you have to classify sentence. Subject, verb, object. First rule, object should be changed as subject, few mistakes. Second rule, decide the B form. Verb in V2 children, past tense. Past B forms was, were. So, few mistakes, those are plural. That's why were. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Commit, committed, committed. V2 committed, V3 committed, committed. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, change the subject into object. Harika. Okay. Next, fourth example. They scolded me outside. They scolded me outside. This is example children, fourth example. So classify the sentence. Subject they, verb scolded, object me. So children, first rule, object should be changed as subject. Object case me. When you change into subject, it becomes I. Next, decide the second rule. Decide the B form. Children, here verb is in V2, past tense. Past B forms was, were. Here subject I singular. That's why was. I was. V3. Change the verb into V3. Scolded. Scold, scolded, scolded. V2 scolded, V3 scolded. Scolded. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, subject should be changed as object. Them, remaining part outside. Yes, children. So, children, once you observe here, children, here subject few mistakes. That's why we wrote here B form were, because few mistakes plural. But here subject I singular. That's why we wrote B form was. Okay, children. Fifth example. We started the activity. We started the activity. This is subject. This is verb, this is object. Children, in previous class I explained you, children, what I explained you. We have to decide how to find object. So we have to question with whom or which. We have to question with these two words, children. When we get answer, that is only object. For example, whom we started. There is no answer. Which we started? Which we started? We started the activity. So this is answer. This is object, children. Okay. So first rule, object should be changed as subject, the activity. Decide B form. Verb is in past tense V2. So past B forms was, were. So children, the activity, subject singular. That's why we have to write was. Third rule, change the verb into V3, started. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, when we change the subject we into object case, it becomes us. As so this is about simple past tense, children. Simple past tense. So simple past sentences, when we change from active voice to passive voice, how to change now I explained you. Okay. Now I am going to explain you past continuous sentences children. Past continuous was
Start.
okay children. So now I am going to past continuous tense children. So first example, they were drawing money. They were drawing money from ATM. Okay, they were drawing money. So children, classify the sentence. They subject, draw verb, money object. So first rule, object should be changed as subject money. Now decide B form. Were drawing, that means past tense. So what is B form? Past B forms what children? Was or were. Here money we have to treat as singular. That's why was. Okay. So second rule also over. Here to the verb ing added children. That's why additionally we have to add being. First rule over, second rule over. Now third rule. Change the verb into V3. Draw, drew, drawn. As children. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, subject should be changed as object. Subject should be changed as object. So like that children. Second example. Ravi was telling students activity. Ravi was telling students activity. Ravi subject, was telling verb, students activities object. So students object should be changed as subject children. Students activities. First rule over. Second rule, decide B form. Was telling past tense children, past continuous, past B forms was were. So students activities plural children. That's why we have to write were. Second rule also over. Third rule, to the verb ing added. Okay. That's why being you have to add. Next rule, change the verb into V3.
1 minute.
Told. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, subject should be changed as object. Study then? Okay. So children, third example, Ramya was doing sums at her home. Ramya was doing sums at home. What was Ramya doing? Sums. Object. Starting subject. Verb. At her home remaining sentence. So children, first rule, object should be changed as subject. Sums. Decide B form. Children, B form will be decided according to the tense form of the verb. Was doing, that means past continuous, that means past tense. Past B forms was, were. So children, sums plural. That's why were you have to decide. Were. ing form extra added. That's why being. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Done. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, subject should be changed as object. As children. Next. Fourth example children, they were buying fish in the market. As children. So subject, what they were buying? They were buying fish. This is object children. So this is verb. Remaining sentence. First, object should be changed as subject fish. Okay. Now decide B form. Second rule. B form will be decided according to the tense. Children, were buying. Were buying means past continuous, past tense. Past B forms was were. Fish. Here we have to treat as singular. That's why was. To the verb ing added. That's why being. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Buy, bought, bought. So bought V3 children, bought. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, change the subject into object. Them in the market. Remaining sentence last we have to write children. Next, fifth one. John was making toys. John was making toys. Which John was making? John was making toys. So this is object. This is verb. This is subject. So children, answer rules. First rule, object should be changed as subject. Second rule, decide B form. B form according to the tense. Was making. That means past continuous. Children, past continuous, past tense. Children, past B form. So was verb. Subject singular or plural? Plural. So we have to write verb. ing extra added children, that's why being. Make V3 made. Make, made. Okay children. Fourth one, by. Fourth rule. Fifth one, subject should be changed as object. Yes children. So if you observe fifth sentence, here John was, because John singular, that's why was. But here changed subject, object is changed as subject now. According to the changed subject, twice, plural children, plural. That's why was. In here in active voice subject John singular, that's why we wrote here was. But in passive voice twice, plural. We have to write verb children. Yes, pass.
Done.
So children, till now I explained you past continuous children. Now I am going to explain you past perfect tense. Past perfect tense children. So she had received the parcel yesterday. One thing you have to identify children, at the beginning of the sentence only, in most of the cases subject places at the beginning of the sentence only children. She, subject, 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 subject. Yes, children. Okay. So verb is nothing but action children. Action means something work. Received, action. Verb is nothing but action. Action means something, action, movement. So received, okay, she had received the parcel. That means here hands. Action is there or not? So that's why this is verb. In this paid, I paid money to the clerk. So here hands. Is there action in my body? Yes. Verb is nothing but action. Okay. Verb. Like that. Uploaded. To upload any video from either to the pen drive or either in YouTube. So some activity we have to do with our hands or with eyes. Is it or not? There is a movement. That's why verb. In this sentence, operate verb. In this sentence, written verb. Yes, children. Verb is nothing but action. Action is nothing but movement. Yes. So what she received? She received the parcel. This is object. What Gopi had paid? Rent. That's why this is object. What Shiva uploaded? Videos. That's why this is object. What he operated? He operated mobile. This is object. What are which? Both are equal children. So what CVSR had written? He had written sums. Object. So like that we have to identify object children. So in all sentences we identified subjects, we identified verbs, we identified objects. So children, in such a way we have to identify object. So to get object we have to question with which or whom children, whom or which. Children, which or what, both are equal children. For example, what CVSR had written? Sums. Which CVSR had written? Sums. So what are which? It gives both are same meaning. Okay. Okay, children. First example. Now I am going to explain you past perfect tense, children. So she had received the parcel. So subject she received, verb the parcel, object. We classified the sentence. So apply rules. First rule, object should be changed as subject, the parcel. Decide B form. Children, has, have, had. These three always carries been, children. If it is there in active voice, has or have or had. In passive voice, we have to write has been or have been or had been. Here in active voice, it is given had, children. That's why in passive voice, we have to write had been. Yes, children. So B form decided. Change the verb into V3. Received. 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 So V2 received. V3 also received. So received. Fourth rule, by. Fifth rule, subject should be changed as object. In subject case it is she. When you change into object case it becomes her, as children. So remaining part we have to add here. Yesterday. So like that, children. Second example, Gopi had paid rent to the owner. So first rule, object should be changed as subject, rent. If it is in active voice, had. In passive voice, we have to write been as a B form. So had been. Second rule, verb. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Already this is V3. Same you write. Paid. Paid. By. Fourth rule. By. Fifth rule. Gopi. Remaining part you have to add here to the one. Sorry. Children, like that also we can write rent had been paid by Gopi to the owner. That is one method. One more method. Like this also we can write, children. Rent had been paid to the owner by Gopi. So in such cases we can so children, here in two ways we can write sentence. So up to here, okay, to the owner by Gopi, we can write like that. Otherwise paid by Gopi to the owner, and like that also we can write. That is our wish. So at the end we can write by Gopi. Otherwise at end we can write to the owner. That is our wish, children. Next. Third one, Siva had uploaded videos in pen drive. Okay, we have already classified Siva subject, had uploaded verb, videos object. So first rule, object should be changed as subject, videos. Here given in actors given had, children. So that's why we shall add here been in passive voice, had been. This is B form. Second rule, power. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Uploaded. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, subject should be changed as object Siva. Remaining part we have to add here in pen drive. Next, fourth example, children. He had operated mobile in his office. Yes, children. So he subject, operated verb, mobile object in his office. Remaining part, children. So first rule, object should be changed as subject, mobile. In active voice, had given. In passive voice, had been we have to write. This is B form, been. So second rule over. Third rule, change the verb into V3. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, subject should be changed as object him. Remaining sentence we have to add here. In his office. Next, fifth sentence, children. Fifth example, Sivaya sir had written sums on the board. Yes, children. So first rule, object should be changed as subject, sums. Here given in actress had, that's why had been. This is B form. Third rule, change the verb into V3, written. Fourth rule, add by. Fifth rule, subject should be changed as object. children, here one thing you should not forget. Subject may be singular or plural, whatever it may be, had only. But in present it's not like that. If the subject is singular, has been we have to write. If the subject is plural, had been we have to write, children, in present tense. But when you come to had, if the subject is singular or plural, had only we have to, had been only we have to write, children. So had it doesn't have the differences whether it is singular or plural. No need to think. If the subject is singular or plural, whatever it may be, had been only as children. So sir, pause. So okay. So children, if you observe simple present, simple past, is same pattern, a little bit changes. In simple present, am is a, in simple past, was, were, like that. So like that, same in present continuous, past continuous. In present continuous, being we shall use. In past continuous, we shall use what is that? Being. Like that, in present perfect, past perfect, similarities we can find, children. In present perfect tense, has been, have been, we shall use. In past perfect tense, had been, we use, children. So like that, you have to think. Okay, whatever it may be, first you have to concentrate on today class. So listen carefully. If you don't understand when you watch first time, watch second time, nothing lost in them, but try to understand well, then only you write exam and get good marks, children. So second time also when you watch, if you don't understand, watch third time, nothing, children. This is grammar, this is lifelong. It is useful for you lifelong, children. It doesn't leave you. When you come to 10th, when you go to inter, when you go to degree, when you go to PC, when you go to competitive exams, even when you getting job, when you got job, after getting job also, to get promotion you will write tests. In that also grammar part does not leave you, especially this is why it must and should, children. So watch once again and again and get good marks, children. This is the class for today. Thank you.